How to fix renderdevicedx11.cpp. Fatal error while playing Resident Evil 2. Below are some tips that help you fix renderdevicedx11.cpp. Fatal error while playing Resident Evil 2. 1. Check if you overclocked your GPU, then revert it back to its default clocks. If your GPU is factory overclocked, then use MSI Afterburner to scale back the core clocks. More, for Windows 7 players, download and install platform update for Windows 7 at https://www.microsoft.com/n-us/download/details.aspx?ID =36805 as admin. Reboot your computer when the installation is done. Keep your client current so the upcoming patch would be able to help resolve this renderdevicedx11.cpp. Fatal error. FYI, the Resident Evil 2 game doesn't run on an AMD HD 6851 GB. The Resident Evil 2 game does run on an AMD HD 6952 GB. 3-4 Intel Core users, try downloading and installing the latest Microsoft DirectX version as admin. https://support.microsoft.com/n-us/help/1791113/how-to-the-latest-version-of-DirectX. Meanwhile, please try the below info to troubleshoot display driver stopped responding and has recovered issue, run video playback and hardware and devices troubleshooters under control panel. Update the display adapter. In Device Manager via the Show Compatible Hardware option under Browse My Computer for driver software instead. 4. Create a registry dword name tdr delay under hkey_local_machine \system\current control set \control\graphics drivers. Set the value data of dword to 8. Click OK. Close the registry editor and reboot.